Hey guys, it's JT Traveler, and it is absolutely crazy out here. I don't know if I've ever seen this much snow. The first mission right now is getting some boots. I thought they were going to be 50% off, but they weren't. So now I'm going to head over to Carmel, Indiana, so that way I can get some pastries. I don't know if the pastry shop is open. It says it's open. I tried ordering with DoorDash and just see if that was an option, and it was. So I'm just gonna give me some pastries and maybe some matcha, and then we're gonna go to Carmel. I think it's called Carmel Central Park, and do some I don't know if that's wildlife, but some park photography. Alright, so got the almond croissant with I know I gotta do the oil change. The lemon lavender matcha. So we got that. Taste that out, see how it is. I kinda would do some photography around Carmel, but there's a Japanese garden. And I kinda wanna go there first. Maybe I'll come back. Bro, I was trying to tip, man. I was like, y'all open, that's lit. So I was gonna tip, but the person in the counter was super mean. Hella mean. I was like, dang, man. I was like, oh, every single time I want to tip somebody real good, I always get a bad experience. I'm like, dang. I mean, the last time I wanted to tip somebody, I went to Potbelly, and the dude snuck in like the 20% instead of just letting me choose it, because I was going to tip him real good, and I'm saying the max, but he did with his finger. I was like, man, get out here. So I didn't tip. This one I didn't tip either, because she's like she wanted to spit in my face and kick me out the store. I was like, dang, man, what's going on? So didn't tip, but I really wanted to, because I appreciate them being open. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. I couldn't do it. There was just too many opportunities. So we're gonna walk around this Carmel area and take some photos. I was driving out and I saw this scene right here. I'll go up actually. I should put some high heels in my boots. Let's see. Maybe something like this. I don't know if that's anything. Kind of like this one's Glebe. Right here. There's a snowplow coming on. Street. Let's go this way. Don't join to go. Let's just go this way. Oh, these boots were a good call. Oh no, even though they're hitting their max. I saw something. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we got this sculpture here. I think I'm enjoying taking photos of the sculptures. Yeah, it's good. Go here. Oh, these boots are amazing. Boots like this is amazing. Let's get this. There's a father and daughter learning how to ride. Both of them are. Shout out to the Carmel flowers. This is police officer. Let's see if I got one with it. Let's kick him off to the side just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, I should have been biking out there too. Alright, for this one. Oh, that's perfect right there. Oh, I think I got a bunch of snow on my boot. I hope I got a good amount of stuff, but we're gonna head over to the Japanese garden now, or the Carmel Parks and Recreation building. I think I forgot to say it, but this matcha tastes like a very tangy. It kind of tastes like a real, like an organic Sprite. I think that's how I'm gonna call it. It's like an organic Sprite, the healthy version of Sprite. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's not much here, I must say. I don't even know where to go inside of it. I don't know where the road's at. Yeah, I don't know where the road starts and the curb ends. I don't know what's going on there. So I don't see much. Yeah, I don't see much. I'm gonna go over to the regular park. You know how hard it is to be a male and not to like all over here, bro. I just want to drift this whole time, and it takes so much willpower not to. But I just really want to just slip out and just start drifting, like, you know, when you're in the supermarket and you have your cart and you start drifting with your cart, bro. That's what I'm trying to do right here. But it's taking so much strength, so much testosterone restriction to not do that drifting, man. Like I'm waiting for the apocalypse where I can just like go crazy out here and I don't have to worry about anybody, you know? Like, what if Earth? This is just like some philosophical stuff, right? That's not true. It's just the theories. But what if Earth was the incubator for our souls, and when we die, it's our what's called time then to manage our own planet. So we build our own planet, and we have to take what we've learned from living together with other souls here and try to create a society that works in another place. And this is just training. A stupid theory, one that's not correct at all, but I just thought about that randomly and I decided to share it. So please don't roast me. Oh my God. What the hell? I don't know what happened in there, but I think I should file a report. Getting these boots was 100% a good choice. I see some birds and they're cardinals. That's roughly how much snow we got. It's probably more than that, because this is shielded by trees. That's kind of crazy. What type of animal is this? Is that deer or what? Looks like they were tall. It had to be like a deer or something. That was tough walking, man. Walking in snow is no joke. But yeah, I'm not seeing much. I mean, it's a nice walk and everything like that, but instead of trying to do wildlife today, we're gonna switch it up. I'm in Founders Park, and I think Zionsville, and I've already found my tuck those in. I've already found my photo opportunity. Snow. Get on tip toes. Yeah, I think we got some stuff here. Right here. Let's go for it. Honestly, if my feet were warmer, I'd feel like going to bed low key, taking a little nap right here. I like the statue, how it's framed up with the trees. Unfortunately, those are gonna have to be in there. Oh, that's good. It's vertical. This is a nice landscape moment. The colors in the melted ice over there. This could be like a high res moment, actually. Nah, I don't like that. It's going too far. Yeah, something like this. I dropped the shutter speed down so that way it makes him look like he's going faster. I was about to call it, but then I saw this moment here, and I was like, kind of want to capture this. Like that right there. That's nice. Freaking love this lens. Alright guys, it's been a fun photography walk and journey, but it's time for me to go back inside. My toes are getting cold. Really my heels. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and do all the things to help the channel out. Appreciate it. Have a good day today, tomorrow, and yesterday.